Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a video. Today, I'm going to show you how to post a status on WhatsApp in just a few simple steps. Alright, let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. At the top or bottom of your screen, depending on your device, you'll see a tab called Updates. Tap on that. You will status at the top and message saying use status to share photos, text, and videos that disappear in 24 hours. Just tap on My Status to post your status. You can post three types of statuses. 1. Text status. Just type your message and customize the font and background. 2. Photo status. Tap the gallery icon to pick a photo. And 4. Video status. Hold the camera button to record or select a video from your gallery. Before posting, you can add text, emojis, or even draw on your status. Once you're happy with it, tap the green send button. Your status will now be live for 24 hours. Before you make it live, you can even select who can see your status. Your contacts only, or you can make exceptions if you want. Your status is now live. If you do not like it, you can delete it if you want and create a new one. You can even create a voice note. Just hold the microphone button and record your voice note when done. You can post it. The procedure is the same for videos and pictures. Just select your picture or video, add a caption or music, and then post. That's all for today's quick tutorial. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions, and share this with a friend who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.